Ever worry what might be lurking in your water supply? Where we were, but not anymore. Hi, my name is Diana, and we were given this iSpring two-stage water filtration system in return for our review. Now, this system is installed at the point of entry into your home. For some of you, that might be in a basement or an interior closet, but I'm in a very neutral climate, so we can have this out in our garage. The key is you never want this to be in a place that could freeze. Another consideration is to have a water softener installed for the water to filter through before it gets here. Reason being, it will extend the life of these filters if the water is already softened. As you can see, this is a two-filter system. The first filter is a carbon filter. Now, the carbon in there is made of coconut shells. That filter will remove the chlorine taste and smell from the water. It will also remove other things such as heavy metals, sediment, and contaminants. The second filter is an iron manganese filter. This will help get your clothes cleaner. It's going to make for better tasting water as well. You're going to see less spots on your dishes when you take them out of the dishwasher, and it will help extend the life of all your appliances that utilize water. Something you will definitely notice, especially if you have a lot of iron, is that you won't see those iron rings in your sink or in your toilets. This particular iron manganese filter has been tested and typically lasts about 3 times longer than the green sand filters you'll see out there. The lifespan of these filters are about 100,000 gallons, which is what a typical family of 4 would go through in the course of a year. The best part of this system is you could install it yourself. You will have to do a few things regarding the plumbing. You won't need any welding equipment. You will have to buy additional piping to make this work, and you're going to have to figure out how to turn your water off and turn it back on and reroute it a little bit. So if you're not comfortable with that, you'll have to hire some help. So anyway, these are impressive. I have to tell you, they were much bigger than I expected, and they definitely are going to do the job for us in our entire home, so check them out.